Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 24 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 minus 2 root 3 and 5 plus 2 root 3. The format of the quadratic polynomial using the roots is x square minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta. So first let's take alpha as 5 minus 2 root 3 and beta as 5 plus 2 root 3. The sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is 5 minus 2 root 3 plus 5 plus 2 root 3, which is 10. Then the product of the roots alpha beta is 5 minus 2 root 3 times 5 plus 2 root 3. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square, which is 25 minus 12, which is 13. So according to this format, the quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta is 10 times x plus alpha beta is 13. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.